What is outbound marketing? Definition and strategy. Ultimate guide. AnyBiz. Outbound marketing is essential in competitive markets for conveying brand value, shaping consumer behavior, and boosting sales. This video explores outbound marketing's principles, strategies, and its role in modern marketing environments. Outbound marketing, also known as push marketing, involves broadcasting messages broadly in hopes of generating sales or interest. It utilizes direct communication and wide targeting, including TV ads, email blasts, and more. Historically, outbound marketing was pivotal for business promotions, utilizing mass media like TV and radio. Despite the digital transformation enhancing targeting capabilities, its core goal remains proactive client outreach. Outbound marketing remains crucial, despite the rise of inbound methods, offering rapid broad reach, precise targeting, enhanced brand visibility, and complementing inbound strategies, thus maintaining its relevance and effectiveness. The key benefits of outbound marketing include its ability to quickly expand reach and visibility, especially useful during product launches or entering new markets. Despite its broad scope, outbound marketing now allows for precise targeting through advanced data analytics, enhancing the relevance and efficiency of campaigns directed at specific demographics. Outbound marketing's ability to launch quickly and scale based on performance makes it a flexible and efficient strategy in fast-paced markets, adapting easily to shifting business conditions. Outbound marketing involves setting clear objectives, identifying target audiences, developing compelling messages, selecting appropriate channels, executing campaigns, and measuring outcomes to refine future strategies. Key channels for outbound marketing include email marketing, direct mailing, telemarketing, and paid media, each offering unique advantages in reaching and engaging target audiences effectively. The integration of outbound marketing into a comprehensive marketing strategy ensures alignment with broader business goals, maximizing impact across all marketing initiatives and enhancing overall campaign coherence. AnyBiz transforms B2B lead generation with AI-driven sales agents, seamlessly blending inbound and outbound strategies. Their platform offers personalized engagement across channels, optimizing efficiency and conversion rates. Key features include IP recognition for targeted outreach, leading to transformative results for clients. As businesses embrace AI-driven strategies, the future of marketing promises unprecedented growth and scalability. If you enjoyed your time here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more updates.